How much can I get from an uninsured motorist claim? Being hit by an uninsured driver in New York can be more than just a frustrating experience. It can leave you uncertain about how to recover financially. Fortunately, uninsured motorist coverage is in place to help fill the gap, but how much can you actually recover from such a claim? Understanding your rights and options can make a substantial difference in the compensation you ultimately receive. New York law on uninsured motorist claim. In New York, uninsured motorist coverage is not optional, it's a legal requirement. This means every driver must carry coverage for bodily injuries caused by uninsured drivers or hit-and-run incidents. The minimum required is $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident when multiple people are involved. However, this only applies to bodily injuries and does not cover property damage. You can opt for additional coverage that extends protections even outside New York for a small fee. This can be arranged through an endorsement on your policy. Claims must generally be filed within 3 years of the accident, but you must notify your insurer within 30 days to preserve your rights under the policy. How much can I get from an uninsured motorist claim? The amount you can receive from a claim varies based on several important factors. The severity of your injuries is a major determinant. More serious injuries typically lead to higher compensation because of the long-term care required and impact on your life. Medical expenses, both immediate and ongoing, also significantly affect your payout. You may be eligible for compensation beyond medical bills. Pain and suffering, emotional distress, and the loss of enjoyment of life are all considered. If your injuries reduce your ability to work or earn in the future, those lost wages can also be included in your claim. However, New York follows a comparative negligence rule. If you're partially at fault, your compensation is reduced proportionally. For instance, if you are found to be 30% responsible, your payout drops by 30%. Understanding the claims process. Filing a claim starts with gathering evidence at the accident scene, including photographs, road conditions, and witness contact information. Notifying your insurance company promptly is crucial. Do not wait beyond the 30-day deadline. You'll need to provide a police report, complete medical records, receipts, and all communication with your insurer. Reviewing your policy carefully helps identify limits or exclusions that may affect your claim. If your claim is denied, it may be due to lack of evidence, policy exclusions, or missed deadlines. In such cases, appealing through your insurer with additional evidence can sometimes resolve the issue. If not, legal action might be required. A lawyer can help review the denial and build a strong appeal or lawsuit if necessary. Even though you're dealing with your own insurer, their priority is to minimize payouts. That's why having an attorney who understands how these claims work can be vital to receiving a fair outcome. If you're overwhelmed by the insurance process or facing a denied claim, a law firm familiar with Brooklyn accident cases can help ensure your rights are protected. An attorney can help assess your case, compile needed documentation, and represent you throughout negotiations or litigation. Get the support and compensation you deserve. Contact Kucher Law Group at 929-563-6780 or visit them at 463 Pulaski Street, No. 1C, Brooklyn, New York, 11221, United States.